Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this green shaded triangle BEC inscribed in a big triangle ABC, as you can see in this diagram, such that this side length AB is 16 units, whereas this side length CD is 16 units as well. And moreover, these angles are 90 degrees each. And now we are going to calculate the area of this green shaded triangle BEC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first step we are going to do. Let's suppose that this side length BD is lowercase a, and this side length DE is lowercase b. Now let's go ahead and make an observation. We can see that this line AB and this line DE, they are parallel, since both of these angles are 90 degrees each. So therefore these angles, this angle and this angle, they are congruent since they are corresponding angles. So therefore we conclude that these two right triangles ABC and the other triangle EDC are similar triangles according to angle similarity theorem. And we can see that this angle is in common for both of these triangles, and this is our 90 degree angle. Now let's look at this side length BC. This whole side length is going to be the sum of these two individuals' lengths. So this side length BC is going to be A plus 16. And since these two triangles are similar triangles, so therefore we are going to have a proportion. Let's go ahead and write down these ratios. B divided by 16 first. Let me go write down B divided by 16 equals to this side length 16 divided by A plus 16. Let me go ahead and write down 16 divided by A plus 16. Let's go ahead and cross multiply. So therefore we are going to have B times A plus 16 equal to this 16 times 16 is going to give us 256. Let me go ahead and write this equation as equation number 1. And here's our final step. Let's go ahead and calculate the area of this green shaded triangle BEC now. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area equals to a half time base time height. And we can see the base for this green triangle is A plus 16 and the height is B. So let's go ahead and calculate the area of this green triangle now. So area is going to be equal to a half time base, in our case is A plus 16, and times height is lowercase b. And now we can see this part A plus 16 times B is equal to this one 256 from this equation 1. So I'm going to replace this one by 256. So therefore the area is going to be a half times 256, or simply area of this green shaded triangle turns out to be 128 square units. So thus the area of this green shaded triangle BEC turns out to be 128 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.